There is an unsaturated digital product that is already making over $100K online and almost no one is selling it. I was able to recreate it in minutes using a simple AI prompt. In today's video, I'll show you how profitable this wall art design really is, how I made it with these 3 free AI tools, and how you can sell it for a higher profit using print on demand. This design is inspired by William Morris art style, a unique approach that features detailed, nature-inspired patterns with floral and leafy elements. By using Etsy as a platform to validate how profitable this product is, I noticed that listings in the design niche were consistently earning bestseller or popular tag. This clearly proved that there's a strong demand for this type of product. For example, there's an Etsy store that focuses solely on this style of design and has already generated over 17 total store sales. According to Alura, I could easily see that one of these designs alone generated over $13K in the past 12 months. That confirmed that people are actively purchasing this type of product. So imagine having a highly profitable listings like this in your own store. Now, before I dive into crafting this design using AI, I noticed that this style of design performs especially well as physical products. For example, one particular listings I discovered is priced much higher, which explains how they are able to achieve higher profit margin compared to selling it as a digital product alone, which typically has a lower margin. And with the help of a platform like Printify, creating physical product has never been easier. You only create your design once, and Printify takes care of the packaging and shipping for you. With their popular white label product, you can easily apply your design to any trending physical product with ease. The best part, you can even integrate Printify directly with your online store, so you don't have to do everything manually. The link will be in the description, so you can follow along later in the video. And speaking of your online store, the process of creating one is now easier than ever. Once you pick your domain name, I recommend choosing the .store extension instead of .com extension. Why? Because a website with a .store domain receives 87% more traffic and ranks twice as high on Google compared to the generic domain. When shoppers sees a .store domain, they instantly recognize it as a place to purchase something, which boosts sales faster. That's why global icons like Mr. Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and Emirates Airline all use .store domains for their brands. Now, getting a domain name with a .store normally costs $29, but when you head to checkout and use the coupon code Endatah, you get it at a discounted price with privacy protection turned on. But if the privacy protection is turned off, the cost goes even lower for a full year. And that's not all, you also get free access to the Plus version of Elevate.store when you register a .store domain. It's a premium toolkit designed specifically to help online sellers grow faster. This includes exclusive deals and discounts for tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and even more, all free just for using a .store domain. Now, in order to create the right prompt for this design, I first studied several of my competitors' thumbnails to understand how to structure my prompt. After trying out multiple prompts, I finally landed on a prompt that gave an impressive result. In a William Morris art style, imagine a rabbit among wildflower and meadow grasses. You notice that I started the prompt by specifying the style. This helped get the most accurate result for the designs. The next step was to generate the images using 3 free AI platforms. And my main goal was to place the results side by side so you can decide which one looks best. The first platform I used was Ideogram, which gave me 10 free daily tokens. After pasting the prompt, I set the aspect ratio to 2:3 for a portrait layout. I switched the AI model to version 3.0 and made sure the prompt magic features was turned off to get the exact design for the prompt. I also selected design as a generation style, and here is the result I got from Ideogram. Next, I moved the same prompt to the second free AI platform, Stable Diffusion. I pasted the prompt, set the aspect ratio, chose none in the style section, and here is the result I got. Finally, the last free AI platform I used was AIEase, which also gives you 10 free tokens daily. I followed the usual setup, pasted the prompt, set the aspect ratio, apply no style, and click generate. Now, putting all 3 results side by side, which do you think generated the prompt best? But that wasn't all the prompt I created. I've crafted 3 unique prompts that will help you generate more images in this design style. The link will be in the description, and special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now, seeing this type of design sells extremely well as physical product, you'll want to move it to Printify to make it print ready. But before that, it's always best to upscale your wall arts to a higher resolution to avoid pixelation, and you can use a platform like Letter Enhance that allow you to upscale up to 16K resolution. Once you've integrated your online store with Printify, select Poster Product and import your design into the frame. Printify will automatically provide default product description. However, to make your product highly searchable, you want to use Printify AI model. Simply give it a brief description of your product and it will generate optimized title, description, and searchable tags for you. And to take this step even further, you can also add a great mockup for your wall art using Canva. Just select your preferred mockups in Canva, import your design to fit into the frame perfectly. Once everything is set, go ahead and click upload. Finally, I hope this video helped you understand the potential of these wall art designs and how you can turn it into a fast-selling physical product. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.